Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change default font in Google Docs. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. Now as you can see, I am typing in this normal Arial font, and I want to change my default font to the font I have right here. So select the text with the font that you want to change or set as default. Then go right here to Format, Paragraph Styles, Normal Text, and click on Update Normal Text to match. Now as you can see, it automatically changed this text to this font, and when I write, it will write in this font. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.